finished with this braided star quilt, and who knew that a basic braid block can be so fun when it's arranged just slightly different. I'm so glad I didn't let the partial seams keep me from finishing this quilt, because the blues and the purple fabrics just look fantastic. I feel like I could do a happy dance because this quilt is finished and the scrappy binding turned out so cute, which is kind of amazing. I don't really like to bind, but I love how that turned out. This quilt was so fun to make, using different fabrics, different arrangements, and then finishing up with some shiny gold thread. How could that not be a great night? So I realize I'm late to the paper piecing party. Who knew that I love it so much? All my points are perfectly pieced, and these batiks really make these stars twinkle. Not only was it fun to piece, I had so much fun with the machine quilting swirls and serpentine lines. I had such a good time working on a quilt that was easy to piece, which meant I had more time for the quilting. Using the walking foot and the free motion quilting foot resulted in some fun quilting that left me plenty of time for snacking.